Hi guys, today is Saturday and I wanted to take you guys with me throughout the day. I got my hair done a couple days ago and this is like the blondest I've been in a long time, but I do love it. There's like two lighter pieces right here. So blonde, but I do really like it. I want to show you my makeup of the day. Also, we're going to do a couple of errands, so I want to take you guys with me. So first I'm going to show you what I'm wearing on my face. I feel like I look really shiny, so maybe I have to put a little bit more powder on. And then we're gonna make some yummy breakfast. Also, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is my top that I got recently from a little boutique on Cape Cod. So cute. I really like this sage color. And then these shorts, I think you guys have seen before, but these are just from Urban Outfitters. And then this is my whole like crazy messy situation of makeup. I usually just stand here and do my makeup every day. So I decided to wear eyeshadow. And this is the one that I'm wearing. It's the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collaboration. And I got this from Michaela for Christmas. And I love it. So I decided to wear eyeshadow. I just haven't worn it in a really long time. I also did this Summer Fridays mask. Look at the packaging. It's definitely a little bit busted. But this is the Overtime Jet Mask. Or no, just Overtime Mask. This is supposed to like exfoliate your skin and resurface it. And it smells like pumpkins mixed with relish. But for some reason, I like love it. So I used this last night. Also, I've been loving this Oma foundation. You guys probably saw this in a couple of vlogs ago, but I do really love this. I've been wearing this like every single day. It's very dirty, but I do love it. And yeah, nothing crazy for the makeup. I usually use my Fenty bronzer every single day. I tried this YSL, the Shock mascara, and I love this. And that's pretty much it. I've been using Milani blushes like every day, just like switching them out. But yeah, this is a messy situation. I probably should put it all away. Oh, I actually didn't put highlight on. I know I'm shiny in the first clip, but I did not put highlight on. I gotta put a little bit of this on. All right, so I haven't used this in a long time, but it's like a little mini waffle maker. So cute, it's like $10. You can get this like anywhere, Urban Outfitters, Kohl's, Target, literally anywhere you can get this, but it's so cute and tiny. So I decided I'm gonna make these in it, or I'm gonna just like make one. These are a limited edition Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Roll with peaches and cream flavored icing. Doesn't that sound good? I don't know actually. I hope it's good. So I'm gonna make one of these in here and let's see how it comes out. Could the lighting be better? Yes. Oh my god, almost broke a nail off. Smells good. I think I should do this over a plate. Cinnamon roll peaches. I don't know. I've never done this in a little freaking frying pan. Alright. Let's spray this down. How do I know when it's hot? How come the light's not turning on? Bless you. Is this working? How do I know if it's working?
Isn't there a light on it?
I thought there was, and now it's not on. Huh. What if it's broken? Maybe that's why it's $10. Okay, I can't make it anymore because it's broken. I guess that's why it's $10. There's no button on it. It's plugged in. It is broken. Womp womp. All right, now it's working. I literally was just gonna throw this out, but I blew a fuse somehow. But this is just heating up. I think it turns a different color once it's like all the way heated up, and then I'm just gonna put one of these in here and see how it tastes. What time is it right now? Oh, since I blew a fuse, I can't see the time. let's see, it's 10:23. Need to get some steps in today for sure. We're gonna leave in a little while, and hopefully this comes out good because I'm hungry. Something tells me this is gonna be really messy and burnt. I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully it doesn't burn. All right, let's see how it looks. Ooh, I feel like it's like slightly burnt. How do I tell if it's like done? I'm gonna close it for a minute or two longer, or like a minute. All right, so this is what it looks like, and then I just put some peach frosting on it. So odd. I'm hoping that this is good, but we shall see. Definitely looks good and it smells good. All right, let's try this. Hopefully it's cooked. What does this taste like? Definitely tastes like peaches. It's weird, it's like peach ringy, you know? But I do like it. All right, so it is, what time is it right now? I feel like, okay, it's 12 o'clock. We're outside of Home Depot because I really want to make a flower wall that I can like display outside, and Target, and then possibly Michael's if I can get pegboard, because I want.
No.
Well, babe, if I'm getting a pegboard, I need flowers, so I need to go to Michael's to get flowers.
You can drop me at the driving range.
No, that's not on the way, so it's not on the way.
You can
It's
go
literally
a little
2
past
seconds.
and then...
It's 2 seconds.
Oh my god.
It's 2 seconds. So that is the plan. Hopefully we can find a pegboard. Got my pegboards. Had to cut it in half. Oh, it's windy out here. Alright, we decided to stop in Target. I really like this sports bra, but it doesn't come with the matching pants. But how pretty. Pink and orange tie-dye. So maybe this. But also I really like these shorts, and of course they only have large and extra larges left. I think these are a little too big, but they're really pretty. So maybe I'll just have to order them online. Alright, so I need a countertop spray. What about this one? We've never gotten this one. I like the scent of lavender. Huh?
I don't love the scent. That scent.
You don't like lavender? Yes, you do.
It's fine.
Well, I put my Lush Sleepy Cream on every night and you seem to love it. It's the same thing. It's lavender. Well, babe.
Well, I guess that's pretty good.
It is nice. Lavender and bergamot. You get this, some spray, just like cleaning stuff, honestly. And then toilet paper. We found toilet paper. Alright, so I just went to Michael's. I got a ton of flowers because I ended up getting a pegboard and cutting it in half. Hopefully it works. I'm going to need a lot more flowers than this, but I think this is a good start. And if you have a Michael's near you, they were all 70% off. Most of them were. The new fall ones were not, but yeah, I got a bunch of flowers, so I'm excited to start this project tomorrow. I also got Quest bars at Target because I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day, and it's 1:30. We are going out to eat a little bit later, but I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything. So I just got chocolate sprinkled donut. I doubt it's gonna taste like a donut, but they looked appealing. So I got that. And then I also got at Starbucks, I got a strawberry acai lemonade refresher, or yeah, I think that's what it's called. So I just got that, and I'm drinking my water, and we are at the golf course or the golf range, because Scott's going to hit some golf balls. So I'm just waiting here for him while he gets some balls, and then we're gonna go home, get ready, go out to dinner. That sounded solid. That was your warm-up shot. That was solid, babe. 270, 300. All right, so these are the flowers that I got. I definitely have to get a lot more. And then this is one board. I I got one, but we cut it in half, so it's actually double the size of this. So I'm just gonna start putting them on, and then I'll probably have to go out tomorrow and get a bunch more. I'm gonna try and go to the dollar store or the Dollar Tree to see if they have any. Look at how cute it is under here. It looks like a wedding reception and I'm obsessed with it. We just got crab cakes and then I got pasta. Scott got pasta, but this looks so yummy. Fettuccine Alfredo with chicken and alla vodka. So it's Sunday and I'm back in Michael's. I have to get more flowers because I need like hundreds more. So this is like my stash right here, but look at how pretty these new things are. How cute is this? So I'm sitting on the floor taking apart all of the flowers. It's a long process to take apart all of these flowers. You just have to basically like cut the stem and like bend it a bunch of times to get it off. But hopefully, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Oh my goodness! But hopefully I get a good chunk done. I'm eating hot Cheetos, so good. And also I just remembered that I had leftovers from last night, pasta, and my whole day is made because I completely forgot about them. And I love leftovers, so I'm gonna have that in a little bit. It's 12:30 right now. Scott's golfing. He goes back to work tomorrow, so he hasn't been back in like 3.5 months, which is crazy. I haven't been back either. But I've been working on, I think you already guys know, but I've been working with my friend Erica. We are going to open up an online boutique. So you guys will hear more about that in the future, but we're just trying to get everything organized with that. And that's kind of why I'm making this like flower board. It's gonna be for photos, but also I think it's probably just gonna be for our boutique and like taking photos or like a pop-up event. So yeah, I'm really excited, but if you guys didn't know, now you know. And hopefully it will launch in a month or 2 months. I don't know, I'm not really sure the time frame, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, and I'm gonna be working on these flowers for the rest of the afternoon. All right, so this is what it's looking like now. I still need so many more flowers, but I think I'm just gonna go out tomorrow. It will be my 3rd day in a row at Michael's, but I think it's coming out really pretty. I have to do like a couple of like filling with like tiny flowers. I think I need to buy like tiny roses to stick in there, but I just love the colors of it. It's probably gonna need, yeah, like I said, a lot more flowers. I do still have some on the ground there, but I'll be lucky if I make it like halfway, and then I have to go out and get more. But right now I'm heating up my leftovers because I've been working on this for too long. But yeah, I think it looks really pretty. All right, so I officially ran out of flowers. I'm about halfway done, and I'll just have to get more this week, but this is how it's looking like. Do you wanna go out there? It's very humid. I'll open it up, but it's very humid and windy. Be careful. I think it's too warm out there for the baby. What do you think? Ooh, it's like a heat wave. Teds, isn't that too warm? That's what I thought. I thought so. Alright, so I think I'm going to end my vlog now because I kind of just want to get into comfy clothes and wash my face. I feel like it's been a long day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in a couple of days. Bye.